Hey guys! Hope you are keeping well. Welcome to video number 4, by us at Web Hosting 101. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the most popular hosting services you can choose for your website, that is, VPS Hosting. Hope you enjoy the video. What is VPS Hosting really? VPS is short for a virtual private server. It uses virtualization technology to provide you with dedicated resources on a server with multiple users. A VPS hosting environment mimics a dedicated server within a shared hosting environment. It is technically both shared and dedicated hosting. Now, why is VPS hosting different than shared and dedicated? VPS hosting is a cross between shared and dedicated. If you are considering a dedicated server and are unsure if it is right for you, perhaps you will need to get VPS hosting. How does VPS hosting work? VPS hosting allows you to run several virtualized operating systems on one machine. For example, your desktop may be running Windows 7, but you can also run other operating systems such as Windows XP or Linux without needing to restart your computer. Now let's talk about the characteristics of VPS. It's more reliable than a shared hosting server. It's an easy-to-scale service. And traffic surges of other server users don't affect your site. What are the benefits of VPS hosting? Number 1. Privacy. There are no other websites on your server that potentially have access to your files. Number 2. Customization. If you need to have any of the services customized, you can make changes to suit the server to your needs. Number 3. Control. Your VPS server can be restarted without affecting anyone else. Number 4. Dedicated resources. You have dedicated amounts of RAM available to you at any time. What are you waiting for then? If you need a reliable service that gives you more privacy, customization and control, VPS hosting is the way to go. Get your website a VPS hosting service soon. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you next time around.